Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your study at home. Dear student, as you know that school is closed due to cold. We do care for you and your study. Therefore, to keep you updated for coming examination, I am here with a revisional video of social studies. So, my dear students, previous video explanation chapter 11, the name of your chapter season. Okay, how many types of seasons? 4 types, 5 types of season: rainy season, winter season, summer season, autumn season, and spring season. Okay, students, previous video explanation of season. This time, the chapter name 11 and season. Okay, let's do it. Let's mark a calendar that show that season. Things you need: a sheet of chart paper, sketch pen, color, pencil or crayons. Things you need. Okay, students, instruments do needed a sheet of chart paper, one chart paper, sketch pen and color pencils or crayons. Okay, how do it? Take 1/4 of a sheet of chart paper. Draw 12 boxes in it. You could have 2 lines with 6 boxes in each. Write the name of a month in each of the 12 boxes. Okay, students. One chart paper is 4 part, 4 sheet. Okay, draw 12 boxes in the could have a lines. Okay, 4 sheet is equal to draw 12 boxes in each. Write the name of a month in each of the 12 boxes. So 12 box is write the month name. Find out for your teacher or parents the name of the months that are hot, the months that are cold, and the months that are rainy. Okay, students. So teachers and parents will help you write the month's name. Hot months: June, April, May and June. Okay, and winter season: October, November and December. November, December and January, February. Okay, now rainy day: July and August. June, July and August. Okay, student. On your chart, color the months that are hot in yellow. On your chart, color the month that are hot in yellow. That means April, May and June months color in yellow. Okay, the months that are cool in blue. That means January and February color of blue. And the months that are rainy in green: June, July and August months in green. Okay, you have made a calendar that show you used to season. So you the season. The months in yellow are the summer months. Yellow months. The months in yellow are the summer months, and the months in green are the monsoon months. That means winter. Okay. Rainy. Monsoon months, that means rainy season. And the months in blue are the winter months. Okay, students. Different periods of the year that are hot, cold or rainy are known as the season. There are 4 main seasons: summer, autumn, winter and spring. In India we also experiences The monsoon. Okay. It is very hot in summer. Summer, it is very hot. In most part of India, the summer month are April, May and June. The summer month are April, May and June. The monsoon season come after summer. The monsoon season come after summer. It will rain heavily on most day during the monsoon. The monsoon months are July and August. The monsoon month, it means rainy season, July and August. Okay. July and August in most part of India. Autumn is the season between the monsoon and winter. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. September and October are the autumn months in India. In winter, the days are short and cool, and the night are long and cold. November, December, and January are the months of winter in India. November, December, and January are the month of winter in India. After winter comes spring. Trees grow new leaves, flowers bloom, and birds make nests in spring. February and March are the spring month in India. Okay? Come to the new exercise. Question number 3rd. Choose the correct answer. So first one. So look here, students. Each questions of 3 options. So choose the only one. One option is right. Okay. So first one of the fruits that grow in summer is. You have read chapter. Okay. One of the fruits that grow in summer is option number A, apple, option number B, jackfruit, and option number C, orange. So choose the only one. Right answer is B, jackfruit. Jackfruit is a right answer. Option number B is right answer, jackfruit. Okay, students. One of the fruit that grow in summer is jackfruit. Now second one. In India, we experience in season in August. In India, we experience the sun season in August. Option number A, the monsoon, and option number B, autumn, and option number C, spring. So choose option number A, the monsoon. Option number A, the monsoon. And third one, trees shed their leaves in. Tree shed their leaves in. Again you questions 3 options. Only one choose one option is right. Okay. So once again, question number 3rd. Trees shed their leaves in. Option number A, winter. Option number B, summer. And option number C, autumn. So do you know, students? Option number C is right answer, autumn. AUTUMN. Okay. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Okay. Now fourth one, orange grow in. Orange grow in. Option number A, winter, B, summer, and option number C, monsoon. So choose only one. Option is right. Option number A, right. Option number A is right answer, winter. Orange grow in winter. Okay. Fifth one, in India the Palas tree blooms in. In India the Pallas tree blooms in option number A winter, autumn, option number B winter, and option number C is spring. Option number C is right answer, is spring. Okay. Now next one, question answers. Okay. Once again, summarize question. Question number 4. Answer the following question. First one, what is a season? Write your answer. What is a season? Second question, how many seasons are there in India? Name them. Now third question, what kinds of clothes do we wear in summer? Do you know, students, what kinds of clothes do you wear in summer? Now fourth one, write 3 difference between summer and winter. Now fifth one, name the months of the monsoon, describe this season. Now sixth one, what is a autumn? Now seventh one, describe spring. So look, new class work. So first one, write your answer, question with answer. Okay student, what is a season? Different period of the year that are hot, cold or rainy are known as the season. So first question, what is a season? The answer is different period of the year that are hot, cold or rainy are known as the season. Now second one, how many seasons are there in India? Name them. How many seasons are there in India? Name them. The answer is there are 4 main seasons. There are 4 main seasons. First one, summer. Second one, winter season. Third one, autumn season. And fourth one, spring season. Okay. Now question number 3. What kinds of clothes do we wear in summer? What kinds of clothes do we wear in summer? Okay. The answer is we wear what kinds of clothes do we wear in summer? Okay. The answer is we wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep us cool. We protect our body cool. We wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep us cool. Okay. Now fourth one, write 3 between summer and winter. Write 3 once again, write 3 difference between summer and winter. Write 3 difference between summer and winter. So first one, the answer is first step, summer. Okay. It is very hot. It is very hot. Now second one, the day are long and night are short. The day are long and night are short. Now third one, we wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes. Okay. Now second step, winter. It is very cold. Summer, it is very hot. That means winter is, it is very cold. The day are short and night are long. Summer day are long and night are short. That means winter is the day are short and night are long. Now third one, we wear woolen clothes. Summer we wear cotton clothes, that opposite side. Winter season we wear woolen clothes. Is that clear? Now fifth one, name the months of the monsoon, describe this season. The answer is after summer comes the monsoon season. In this season it is rain heavily on most day. The monsoon season lasts from the middle of June to the end of August. Okay. Now sixth one, describe spring. After winter comes spring. Trees, grow new leaves, flowers bloom, and birds make nest in spring. February and March are the spring month in India. Once again repeated. After winter comes spring. Tree grow new leaves, flowers bloom, and birds make nest in spring. February and March are the spring month in India. Now seventh one and last question. What is autumn? Autumn is an pleasant season. In this season, trees shed their leaves. Okay, students? If you did not completed it yet, so please complete this exercise in your book and practice it. Okay, students? Thanks for watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day, students.